Nick.
Yo.
I'm going in.
I'll cover where I can. Bad idea. Hey, are they getting down that way?
I don't know. Nick! Who needs medic? Move to the right! Move to the right! Keep going! Keep going! Shoot! Go! Shoot! Go!
Can't see.
One behind you, one!
Up top. Hey! Yo, I think they got around us.
Alright, here we are. Harris Farm Airsoft Field, Dayton, Maine. A little bit of a hike for us Rhode Island boys. Nonetheless, Nick, Fred, and I, we made the journey. And we are representing the Fererales, or the SPNG. I don't even know what that stands for, but we're in squad 1-3. And our initial objective was to take and hold Mac, which is a central objective. It's not scoreable, but the game plan was to take and hold this so we could disseminate units from here to take other points. That didn't go well. We got schwacked within, I don't know, 45 minutes, half hour, 45 minutes of taking it, and we were back to respawn. We tried breaking out a couple times from our CP, only to be beaten back. So where we find Nick in the first clip here, basically the rebels hold like this line. Now this line here is our limit of advance. So this is like, the rebel can't even push past here. They got all this, plus this and this and this and this. So we're not doing well.
Attack! Spread it out! Spread it out! Spread it out! Keep moving! Everybody, keep fucking moving! Don't stop! Keep moving! Let's go!
Can't see.
One behind the wall!
Up top. Keep moving. Go.
So that push was semi-successful. We reached Mac, but we couldn't take it. I think we might have had all 6 of our squad, so that's like, I don't know, like 50 guys. We all kind of pushed online from the east here, the northeast, but we couldn't take the point. So now the front line looks something like this, or so. And we're holding Fort Harris. But right before this next clip takes place, a squad of the rebels push out and they take the fort. So 1-3 gets sent in to take that back.
Is this on?
No, if you weren't behind, keep fucking running.
I'm not zoomed. Yo.
I'm going in.
I'll cover where I can.
You're not directly in front of the
Go, 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 go.
right in the fucking center. We're all hit. Nice job, guys.
I mean, I'm hit now, but I don't think I was hit.
I was honestly that whoever's grenade thrower that was, give him some fucking props. My Titan overheated on that. You saw it in the bag, right? Great fucking push, boys. Great fucking push. Great push, dudes. That's what I like. I fucking love it, boys. Good fucking shit. We're all fucking out. You guys that were with us. It was one of your guys.
I had mine in my hand, getting ready to throw it.
Yeah, I think it was one of your boys. Dusty, was that you?
Nice, Dustin.
1-3 is hit.
Hey.
You behind.
Left side, left side, left side.
Who threw that nade? They did deserve some fucking. Yeah, fire.
It took two, but I got the second one
We're
in.
talking about the whole time we're holding here. We're like, okay, we're all good unless the grenade lands right fucking there. Shit.
So we took the fort. You know, big win for the little guys. Great sportsmanship from the rebels. And the plan is to hold this until we get reinforced from the CP. And then we're gonna push on Mac. 1-3 is gonna push Mac. While we're holding, we're sort of spread out along this road here. And a couple of our squad mates get out of earshot, so we've got no contact with them. So Nick and I, we mosey down the road, try to find these guys.
They're in that window still.
All right, I'm gonna get in too. I'm gonna run across.
Open up the window.
Hey. Yo. Hey, we can take that.
Yeah, we can close windows if we need to whenever.
Yeah.
You're in the tower. I hit him, you didn't call it.
Friendly!
No, there's a guy up in that.
Push!
I don't know if he called it or not. I hit him twice in the goggles. Huh?
I kind of want to get close.
I think this is our chance to get a little closer.
Up window still, I see him in there moving.
No, yeah,
Alright, don't waste them yet.
Yeah, there's one. Watch the tower.
That door.
Dylan, do you wanna risk it and just run straight for the building?
Push!
All right, I'm
Go,
going
go, 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 go.
Well, I got another frag.
I'll move over here.
Hey, you can't lay over it.
Is that them in the woods or us?
I'm not sure.
Not us?
You got enemies in the woods.
Yeah, ready? Ready? I'm gonna open it up. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, hit. Oh, my butt. Hit. I'm already hit. Oh, my butt. Hey, oh, stop.
Who's shooting you?
My booty. That was a good push.
That was good.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh my
God.
What was that?
My ears. Oh, my butt hurt.